Have you ever encountered a piece of machinery so advanced, it feels like something straight out of science fiction? Introducing the OSA 270 Helam Logma, an industrial marvel that redefines what's possible in forestry and construction tasks. Designed with precision, the OSA 270 stands out for its exceptional power and unparalleled control. This high-performance machine is engineered to tackle the most demanding jobs in forestry, construction, and heavy-duty tasks, ensuring optimal efficiency across diverse working conditions. Whether it's lifting, carrying, or moving large loads, the OSA 270 delivers reliability and precision, making it a staple in industries that require robust equipment for extreme tasks. Rico RG80 Stump Grinder. Unmatched power and precision. Another standout in the forestry industry is the Rico RG80 Stump Grinder, an incredibly powerful and efficient tool that has earned its place as a must-have in professional landscaping and land clearing operations. Equipped with a high-powered engine and impressive horsepower, the RG80 is built to effortlessly grind through long oak stumps, cutting through even the hardest wood with remarkable precision. What makes this machine so effective is its precision handling capabilities, which allow it to work seamlessly even in tight spaces. This tool is perfect for clearing large plots of land or tackling stump removal tasks, ensuring that even the toughest stumps are dealt with quickly and efficiently. Thanks to its combination of horsepower and optimized design, the RG80 delivers outstanding performance, ensuring your land is cleared fast and with minimal effort. Overcoming steep terrain. Truck with 600 HP triumphs over slippery terrain. Imagine this scenario: a truck struggles to climb a steep, slippery hill, loaded down with wood. At first glance, it seems like an insurmountable challenge. But thanks to its 600 horsepower engine, this truck can power through the obstacle without hesitation. The X07 firewood splitter is the ultimate solution to your problems. With a high-powered engine system and impressive horsepower, the X07 firewood splitter is capable of handling even the hardest wooden fences, ensuring quick and efficient splitting. The machine's compact yet powerful design allows it to split large quantities of firewood, saving time and labor. For those in need of a heavy-duty wood splitter, the X07 is a perfect choice that combines power with efficiency. BTA Crusher on the Gradle 4100 XL. Crushing tough materials with ease. The BTA Crusher on the Gradle 4100 XL is a force to be reckoned with. With its exceptional strength and impressive horsepower, this machine can tackle the toughest materials, ensuring that no task is too difficult. Whether it's breaking down large chunks of stone or processing dense timber, the Gradle 4100 XL delivers high levels of performance and speed, making it a go-to machine for those in need of powerful crushing capabilities. These machines slice through the cheese blocks with impressive precision and speed. The perfectly sliced cheese is then carried along a conveyor belt, ready for packaging. It's neatly divided and packed into boxes, ensuring each slice is perfectly sized and ready to be placed on a burger, ready to melt into that delicious gooey layer. Assembling the burger, Bringing it all together finally, all the ingredients, buns, patties, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and cheese, are ready to come together. The assembly process begins as each ingredient is placed in perfect harmony to form the classic burger. Every burger is carefully assembled to ensure that the ratio of ingredients is just right, creating a mouth-watering experience in every bite. Once assembled, the burgers are packaged and made ready for distribution, so that they can reach hungry customers all over the country. The sweet side, cake making innovation now. Let's switch gears to the world of cake making, a process that has been revolutionized by technology. From the first mix of ingredients to the final decoration, modern machinery has made cake making faster, more efficient, and incredibly precise. The process begins with robotic systems that crack hundreds of eggs per minute, separating the yolks into the batter. Once the eggs are combined with powdered sugar and other ingredients, it's time to make the frosting. Massive mixers handle hundreds of pounds of cake batter at once, blending the wet and dry ingredients together to create the perfect consistency. Robotic arms then gently pick up each slice, placing it with precision onto the burger, adding that savory, crispy crunch that complements the juicy patty. Fresh veggies, lettuce and tomatoes. No burger is complete without fresh, crisp vegetables. The process starts with lettuce, which is carefully chopped, washed, and sanitized to ensure it is free from dirt or impurities. After the cleaning process, the lettuce is gently dried to remove any excess moisture, which helps it maintain its crispness when served. Tomatoes, too, undergo a detailed process. Once washed, they go through an automated sorting system that ensures only the juiciest, freshest tomatoes make the cut. It is an indispensable tool for anyone who needs a fast, reliable solution for large-scale wood splitting. Belarus MTZ 1221.2, Mastering Timber Harvesting in Challenging Winter Conditions for those working in challenging winter forest conditions. The Belarus MTZ 1221.2 is a powerhouse machine. Designed with a heavy-duty engine and impressive horsepower, this machine is ideal for harvesting timber in wet, snowy forests. Its design allows it to operate seamlessly in difficult conditions, making it the perfect tool for logging operations in rural or mountainous regions. Paired with a custom-made large trailer, the Belarus MTZ 1221.2 can carry timber through the most challenging terrains, ensuring efficient timber harvesting even in the harshest weather. Whether you're working through deep snow, slippery mud, or icy conditions, this machine offers unmatched reliability and power, allowing timber to be harvested without delay. X07 Firewood Splitter, an effortless solution for tough jobs struggling to split tough, large pieces of wood. These buns are now ready to be delivered, fresh and soft, to restaurants, supermarkets, and more. The patty, crafting the heart of the burger. Now we move on to the most crucial part of any burger, the patty. The journey of the beef begins with carefully selecting premium cuts of beef, known for their tenderness and flavor. These cuts are then finely ground into a smooth texture, ready to form the signature patty. The ground beef moves into large hoppers, where it passes through a specialized position cutter. This machine shapes the beef into uniform patties, ensuring that each one is the perfect size and thickness, ready to be cooked to perfection. After shaping, the patties are frozen to an ideal temperature to maintain freshness and texture. At this point, robotic arms spring into action, picking up each perfectly formed patty with incredible precision. These robotic arms place the patties into packaging boxes, ensuring they are securely sealed and ready for shipment. Adding bacon, the savory crunch. One of the most beloved ingredients to add to a burger is crispy, sizzling bacon. In the facility, large blocks of cured meat are fed into a high-speed slicer. The sharp blades of the slicer rotate at an incredible speed, cutting the solid block into perfectly thin, uniform slices of bacon. Each slice is carefully portioned and moved to a dispenser for easy handling. This impressive feat showcases the truck's superior power and highlights how modern engineering allows machines to push through difficult terrain effortlessly. Whether it's climbing hills, navigating slippery roads, or tackling extreme conditions, this truck proves that it's more than capable of overcoming any challenge thrown its way. Black Splitter Wood Splitter Model S1. Efficiency meets power when it comes to splitting large, tough logs. The Black Splitter Wood Splitter Model S1 is a true game changer. This machine is equipped with a powerful engine system and boasts exceptional horsepower, allowing it to cut through even the most stubborn wood with ease. Designed with efficiency in mind, this compact and cone-shaped wood splitter is perfect for professionals working in the forestry industry who need to cut large amounts of firewood quickly. The powerful engine system minimizes time and labor by delivering top-tier performance while keeping fuel consumption in check. This innovative machine dramatically reduces the time and effort required to split wood, allowing workers to focus on other important tasks. The bad ones are filtered out, and only the best, ripest tomatoes are selected to be packed into boxes, ready to be sliced for the burgers. Pickles, the tangy touch. The flavor journey continues with pickles. Here, thousands of cucumbers are meticulously cleaned to ensure they are fresh and spotless. This is followed by the sterilization of glass jars, which are carefully prepared for preserving the cucumbers at their best. Once the jars are ready, skilled workers pack the cucumbers into each jar, ensuring they fit snugly and are neatly arranged. A special tangy pickle juice is poured into each jar to preserve the cucumbers and give them that signature tangy flavor. The pickles are now ready to be shipped out, adding that unique, crunchy taste to your burger. Cheese, the melty perfection. Now, let's talk about the perfectly melted slice of cheese that crowns every great burger. The process begins with large blocks of cheese, which are sliced with the help of high-speed automatic slicers.